Welcome. If you're new to Trello, you're about to discover a powerful tool for organizing projects, tasks, and ideas. In this video, we'll walk you through the best way to onboard new users to Trello, step by step. Whether you're joining a team or managing your own workflow, Trello's visual boards and cards make it easy to stay on top of everything. Let's start by understanding what Trello is and why so many people love it for project management. Trello is a web-based project management application that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks and collaborate with others. Each board represents a project, lists help you categorize stages or types of work, and cards are individual tasks or items. Trello's drag-and-drop interface makes it intuitive and flexible for all kinds of workflows, from personal to professional. Understanding this structure is the first step in mastering Trello. To get started, you'll need to create a Trello account. Visit the Trello website and sign up using your email address or a Google account. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you've verified your email, you'll be able to log in and start exploring Trello's features. Setting up your account is the foundation for a smooth onboarding experience. After logging in, you'll land on the Trello dashboard. Here, you'll see all your boards, recent activity, and options to create new boards or join existing ones. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly, with clear navigation menus and helpful prompts. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you move around Trello with ease. Boards are the heart of Trello. Each board represents a project or a workspace where you can organize tasks and collaborate with your team. You can create as many boards as you need, each tailored to a specific project or workflow. Boards can be public, private, or shared with selected team members, giving you full control over visibility and collaboration. To create your first board, click the Create button on the dashboard. Give your board a descriptive name, choose a background, and decide whether it should be private or shared. Once created, you'll be taken to your new board, ready to start adding lists and cards. This is where your project organization truly begins. Lists help you organize your board into stages or categories. For example, you might have lists like To Do, In Progress, and Done. To add a list, simply click Add a List and enter a name. You can add as many lists as you need and rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Lists are essential for tracking progress and keeping your workflow organized. Cards are the individual tasks or items on your lists. To add a card, click Add a Card under the relevant list and give it a name. Cards can represent tasks, ideas, or anything you need to track. You can move cards between lists as work progresses, making it easy to visualize your project status at a glance. Each card can be customized with details like descriptions, due dates, attachments, and labels. Click on a card to open its details and add the information you need. You can also assign cards to team members, add checklists, and leave comments. Customizing cards helps keep everyone on the same page and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Labels are a great way to categorize cards by priority, type, or any custom tag you need. You can create and color code labels for easy identification. Filters allow you to quickly find cards with specific labels, making it easier to focus on what matters most. This feature is especially useful for larger boards with many tasks. Collaboration is at the core of Trello. To invite team members, click the Invite button on your board and enter their email addresses. You can assign roles and permissions, ensuring everyone has the right level of access. Inviting your team early helps streamline communication and keeps everyone involved from the start. Once your team is on board, you can assign cards to specific members. Simply open a card and select the member you want to assign. This makes it clear who is responsible for each task and helps prevent confusion. Assigned members will receive notifications, keeping everyone accountable and informed. Checklists are perfect for breaking down tasks into smaller steps. Open a card and add a checklist to track progress on subtasks. You can check off items as you complete them, giving you a clear view of what's done and what's left. Checklists are especially useful for complex tasks that require multiple actions. To keep your projects on track, set due dates for your cards. Click on a card, select the due date option, and pick a deadline. Trello will remind you as deadlines approach, helping you stay organized and meet your goals. Due dates are essential for time-sensitive tasks and project milestones. You can attach files, images, and documents directly to your cards. This keeps all relevant information in one place and makes it easy for team members to access what they need. Simply click the attachment button on a card and upload your files from your computer or cloud storage. Comments allow you to communicate directly on cards. You can ask questions, provide updates, or leave feedback for your team. All comments are visible to board members, keeping communication transparent and organized. Use comments to keep everyone in the loop and document important discussions. Power-ups are Trello's way of adding extra features to your boards. You can enable calendar views, integrations with other apps, and automation tools. Explore the Power-ups menu to see what's available and activate the ones that fit your workflow. Power-ups help you customize Trello to your specific needs. The Calendar Power-up lets you see all your cards with due dates in a calendar format. This is great for planning and tracking deadlines across your projects. To enable it, go to the Power-ups menu, search for Calendar, and add it to your board. Now, you can switch between board and calendar views anytime. Trello integrates with many popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. These integrations help you streamline your workflow and keep all your tools connected. To add an integration, visit the Power-ups menu, search for the app you want, and follow the prompts to connect your accounts. Trello's automation features, known as Butler, allow you to automate repetitive tasks. You can set up rules, buttons, and scheduled commands to save time and reduce manual work. For example, you can automatically move cards when due dates arrive or assign tasks based on triggers. Automation helps you work smarter, not harder. Trello offers a variety of templates for different workflows, such as project management, content planning, and event organization. Templates provide a ready-made structure, so you don't have to start from scratch. Browse the template gallery and choose one that fits your needs, then customize it for your team. Trello's mobile app lets you manage your boards and tasks on the go. Available for both iOS and Android, the app syncs seamlessly with the web version. You can add cards, update lists, and collaborate with your team from anywhere. The mobile app ensures you stay productive even when you're away from your desk. Trello keeps you informed with notifications and reminders. You'll receive alerts for due dates, comments, and changes to your boards. Notifications can be customized to suit your preferences, ensuring you never miss an important update. Staying on top of notifications helps you manage your workload effectively. As your boards grow, finding specific cards becomes important. Trello's search and filter tools help you quickly locate tasks, labels, or members. Use the search bar at the top of the dashboard or apply filters to narrow down your view. Efficient searching saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. When tasks are completed or no longer needed, you can archive cards and boards. Archiving keeps your workspace tidy without permanently deleting information. You can always retrieve archived items if needed. This feature helps you maintain a clean and organized Trello environment. If you need to bring back an archived card or board, Trello makes it easy. Go to the Archive section, find the item, and click Send to Board to restore it. This ensures you never lose important information and can revisit past projects whenever necessary. Trello allows you to customize board settings and manage permissions. You can change the board's name, background, and visibility. Set permissions to control who can view or edit the board. Proper settings ensure your board is secure and tailored to your team's needs. Trello offers keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. For example, press B to open the boards menu or C to archive a card. Learning a few key shortcuts can save you time and make navigation more efficient. Check Trello's help section for a full list of shortcuts. Personalize your Trello profile by adding a photo, updating your name, and setting notification preferences. A personalized profile helps team members recognize you and improves communication. Access your profile settings from the dashboard to make these changes. If you ever get stuck, Trello's Help Center is full of guides, FAQs, and tutorials. You can search for answers, browse topics, or contact support for help. The Help Center is a valuable resource for both beginners and experienced users, ensuring you always have support when you need it. For teams, it's important to establish clear workflows and communication guidelines. Use lists to define stages, assign cards to members, and set regular check-ins. Encourage team members to update cards and use comments for discussions. Consistent practices help teams get the most out of Trello. If you're working on several projects, Trello makes it easy to manage multiple boards. You can switch between boards from the dashboard, organize them into teams, and use the search function to find what you need. Keeping boards organized helps you stay focused and efficient. Trello isn't just for teams, it's also great for personal organization. Create boards for personal goals, daily to-dos, or hobby projects. Customize lists and cards to fit your unique workflow. Trello's flexibility makes it a powerful tool for managing all aspects of your life. Fine-tune your notification settings to match your preferences. You can choose to receive email, desktop, or mobile notifications for different activities. Adjusting these settings ensures you stay informed without being overwhelmed by alerts. Trello allows you to collaborate with people outside your organization. Invite external partners to specific boards and set their permissions. This is useful for working with clients, freelancers, or vendors, ensuring everyone stays aligned and informed. You can export your Trello boards and data for backup or reporting purposes. Go to the board menu, select More, and choose Print and Export. Export options include JSON and CSV formats, making it easy to analyze or share your data outside Trello. If you're moving from another tool, Trello allows you to import data. Use third-party tools or Trello's import features to bring in tasks, lists, or boards. This helps you transition smoothly and maintain continuity in your workflow. Trello is ideal for remote teams, offering real-time updates and collaboration from anywhere. Use comments, attachments, and notifications to keep everyone connected. Remote teams can stay organized and productive, no matter where members are located. Trello takes security and privacy seriously. Boards can be set to private, team visible, or public, and you control who has access. Trello uses encryption and follows best practices to protect your data. Always review your board's privacy settings to ensure your information is secure. If you encounter issues, Trello's support resources can help. Common problems include login errors, sync issues, or missing notifications. Check the Help Center for solutions, or contact support if you need further assistance. Most issues can be resolved quickly with the right guidance. Trello regularly releases new features and updates. Stay informed by following Trello's blog, release notes, or subscribing to their newsletter. Keeping up with updates ensures you're always using the latest tools and best practices. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore advanced features like card mirroring, custom fields, and advanced automation. These tools can help you tailor Trello to complex workflows and save even more time. Experiment with different setups to find what works best for you and your team. Regularly review your Trello boards and workflows to identify areas for improvement. Archive outdated cards, update lists, and adjust processes as needed. Continuous improvement helps you get the most value from Trello and keeps your projects running smoothly. Don't forget to celebrate your team's achievements. Use Trello to track milestones, mark completed projects, and recognize contributions. Celebrating successes boosts morale and motivates everyone to keep up the great work. You've now learned the best way to onboard new users to Trello, from creating an account to mastering advanced features. Remember, the key to success is consistent use and continuous learning. Explore Trello's features, adapt them to your needs, and enjoy a more organized, productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy Trelloing!